Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make music sound funny. Like this. OBTW if you don't have the music or sound in your files. I think it won't work, but I don't know. Sorry for long wait, here's some food, enjoy. So first you hit the big blue plus button to start. Then you tap or click on the video. You want to make the sound funny on hope that makes sense. If your video you are using has sound, if you want to hear the audio, then make the volume on CapCut go all the way down like this. Then tap or click the file button right there. Then click or tap the sound you want. Then tap or click the sound and then click or tap the voice effects also button. Hit the tremble button. And that's it. Congrats, you finished the tutorial. On how to do this, you get a cookie. Oh, also hit the export button to save the vid.